Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. It is Saturday morning. Oh, it's around 9:30, and I'm at the 3rd Street South Farmers Market. The sun just actually popped out here. It's been kind of cloudy all morning, but I just wanted to take you for a little stroll up 3rd Street South. Let you get a little feeling for the flair of the market here. It is open every Saturday from 7:30 to 11:30. Of course, that depends on the weather and pandemics nowadays. You never know if we're going to have to worry about pandemics. It's pet friendly. There's all kinds of goodies here. Not just fruits and vegetables, but there are some awesome fresh veggies. You will see lots of people with their beautiful fur babies walking 3rd Street South. Lots of live music. Several musicians set up as you stroll the market. Just a wonderful atmosphere, Kind of funny seeing everybody with jackets on. Well, there's everything here. Potted plants, seafood, baked goods, coffee, popcorn, paella, you name it. Stuff for your pets. Organic pet foods and pet treats. Quiches. Just a great place. I mean, it's one of the best farmers markets around. Now what happens is in the wintertime they have it out here in the street. They close down 3 blocks from 10th up to 13th Avenue South. Then in the summer months, they scale it down a little bit. A lot of these vendors travel. They hit the roads. They go up north for the summer, just like our snowbird residents. And they move the market into the parking lot behind Tommy Bahamas. But it is open every Saturday all year from 7:30 to 11:30. All kinds of music here, quite a variety. They do have some tables. They have a few tables set up here. I mean, there's lots of good snacks here. Especially the baked goods. Oh man, the baked goods are awesome. So we're already about halfway through it here. I don't know if the paella people are here, the fire and rice. That's kind of neat. They're big, giant woks making paella.
Whatever we
Plants for your yard, for your garden. He's got to check out the plants. No fertilizing. Really great oranges over here. These guys have been coming here for a long time. Lots of yummy oranges and grapefruits. Best Popcorn. I don't know if Best Popcorn is out here. Sharon Best. She usually sets up down on the side street here. That was our friend Roy's favorite treat, that popcorn. Naples' best popcorn. She liked being down here at the end. I'm breezy, sorry. There she is. I see her over there stirring away. She's got a kettle of popcorn going now. Doing her thing right here. Naples best right there. Smile.
Hey!
How are you doing?
My goodness, I'm fine.
It's been a while.
It's
I made this
fine.
sun come out just for the video.
Well, I appreciate that.
How's the popcorn biz?
Popcorn business is doing just
Awesome,
fine.
awesome, awesome. I'm keeping track of you on Facebook.
And then we have our Naples mix today.
Naples mix, amen.
Caramel and white cheddar.
Caramel and white cheddar. This one here, where's the Naples mix? This one right there? There you go.
Thank you.
Take it easy, sure. That's always one of our favorite stops. That was Roy's favorite. Roy's favorite. See if they got the big walks going here with the paella. That's always good. That yellow rice, and I think they put chicken in there. They have a couple different kinds. They're right over here. Fire and rice. That's always a popular thing. People like watching them make it. Always a popular stop here for people. They do catering too. They'll come to your party with those big walks. You can have a paella party. That is awesome. So I'm kind of walking through here fast, just giving you a feel for the market. Like I said, just a taste of it. You can stop the video if you want to check something out there. If you think you saw something. I mean, there's baskets here. You know, what do you call it? Weaved baskets. There's a lady that makes baskets.
Thanks.
Jewelry. There's crafts. I mean, it's not just when you hear farmers market, you think vegetables. It's way more than that. It's a little bit of everything under the sun. Flowers. A lot of people come here, get their fresh cut flowers. You'll see a lot of people walking around with flowers. A lot of people. Can you blame them? Orchids. Look at the orchids.
How was it? What'd you try?
I tried the schnitzel and the chicken.
Okay, schnitzel. Families come out here for a morning. It's just a great place to come take a Saturday morning stroll. Do a little sampling. That's what Roy used to do, sampling. Nibbling on everything as we walked along. Lots of free samples. I think you'll be happy though when you take some free samples. I think you're gonna find something you like. There's that breeze, sorry. Woo, it's picking up here.
Okay, we put those babies in the new
I love this little setup here, this little trailer up here with all the fresh veggies. Just I don't know, it's a great setup and everything looks really nice and fresh in there.
Yeah, the only ones that are kind of similar, I'm thinking of the habanero, but I don't know what's it. Yeah, I mean, right now, if you want to go to the farm store, we have them out there, but the problem is they charge by the pound when they're not, and I'm like,
Oh, so I can make you.
no, I will, I just didn't have any this week.
Oh, we're almost at the end. So I spent about 10 minutes covering the whole thing, and I guarantee you can easily come here, spend an hour or more. And then back behind me, of course, don't forget about Tony's off 3rd. If you want to go have a cup of coffee at Tony's, great place to hang out. Another musician here. She's not playing right now. She's on a break. So that was at least 3 musicians set up here this morning. Highly recommend if you visit Naples, anywhere in Naples, even up in Bonita Springs, it's worth the drive. Come to the 3rd Street South Farmers Market. You will not be disappointed. If you're disappointed, it's not my fault. Not my fault. We're coming up to Broad Avenue South. Pies. Key lime pie. Roy loved this place right here, the blueberries. Roy loved his blueberries for sure. He would get a box of them every single time, and they wouldn't make it home from the market. God bless him. And then, last but not least, the beignets. These guys have been here for as long as I can remember. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. Tell your friends about Southwest Florida Television. Hit that share button. If you like what I do, if you appreciate my little beach walks and walks around other places in town, send a tip. You can find a link to my PayPal account in the description of this post. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Tally-ho, everyone. Tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rob Stan. God bless.